Hello. So this is my new to me Leopold FC660C. It is completely bone stock, silenced, and still has the do not remove sticker on the back. But I'm going to be building this out because I have a Heavy 6 housing for this on the way. And in the interim, I'm going to be fitting it with a variety of parts that I picked up from Deskeys, and even a new PCB from Sipalot. So let's check it out. And I'm really excited for this because I love my Heavy Grail. It's been my daily ever since I built it. I just want to try out a different form factor, but as the Leopold sits right now, it doesn't really sound the greatest, especially compared to the Grail. So yeah, got a lot of work to do. So this build's going to be pretty similar to how I have the Heavy Grail set up. I'll have the full build breakdown over here. The only thing that's really different is that Deskeys now sells these housing springs. This is traditionally only meant for your spacebar, but for the sake of curiosity, I'm going to put it on every switch. It's just another thing for me to care and maintain because I hate spring crunch, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. At the time of filming, I actually don't have Sipalot's PCB. It's currently en route to me, so I'm going to be using the stock PCB and daughter board. But once I do get the new one in, the first thing I'm doing is remapping Backspace to Pikey. I tried using regular Backspace. I can't get used to it for the life of me. Other thing I'm going to be doing once everything lines up is getting a new plate. So yeah, jumping in here real quick, while I was building out the Leopold, I decided to go on a 2-hour-long side quest of filing down the 2U Backspace to fit split Backspace. Is it jank? Yes. Does it work? Also yes. Super good enough, and it works for me. Yeah, basically putting everything back into the case, this is what it sounds like. So it's been a minute. Hair is considerably longer than before. I started this build back in May, and it's currently almost November, and I just got the Heavy 6 case in. Since then, I've made a couple changes to the build. I've taken out these silencing rings, and I've swapped out the V3 domes that I have in here for the pink Deskeys BKE dome, since I tried Randy Ocean's 90-gram V1s, really like them, can't get them, but this is the closest I'm gonna get. So yeah, let's see how it goes.